Hello, Nonna Maria here. Secret Service, Nonna. Today, pasta e broccoli rimenata. I did it once, but I'm doing it again. Parboil some cauliflower, cherry tomato sauce, anchovies, toasted breadcrumbs. This is real bread for the end. And of course, this, you know very well, my spices, red pepper flakes. Okay, the water is boiling. Let it boil. I forgot to tell you the most important thing. Also, toasted pine nuts and raisins. That's what we put. Okay, we started with a little garlic. Oh, and the pasta I'm using today is not Rumo, but it's bronze cut Italian bucatini. This is the kind of pasta we use. It's a thicker spaghetti with a hole in it. That's why it's called bucatini, buco, hole. Okay, we started with the little garlic, some anchovies, just a little bit. Lower the flame. Let it melt. Believe me, you don't even taste it. Then we put the cauliflower, lower it, the pine nuts and the raisins, little touch of water. Okay, we don't drain the pasta. Again, I forgot to tell you that the one that I cooked the bucatini, the water, salted of course, is the same water that I parboil my cauliflower. We call it broccolo. This is a Sicilian classic. Cauliflower is also broccoli. You're used to the green one